Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
We are continuing with our general skills, and last time we covered commitment issues, and this time we will be covering similar thing which requires little knowledge of Git, and it's called Blame Game. You can download the challenge from here, and it says someone's commits seems to be preventing the program from working. Who is it? Now we have to find uh, what issue is there. So basically, we can download the file from here and simply drop in. Now, so we can see there are two files, git file and message.py. First of all, let's check what's in message. Nothing, but there is an issue. The closing bracket is not there in Python. So let's see git log, and so this is the most recent comment, and so this is a example of how bad commit messages are. Like everything says important business work, so we won't be able to understand, and there are a lot of it. So let's try filtering it out using grep. Let's see if there are any flag. No. Git log and grep using picoCTF. So there are a lot. Okay, so actual author is there. So let's git log CTF, and because the flags are in this format, so let's try and search, and we got that. Ask the intern. So the issue has been caused by the intern. Paste, submit, and easy got 75 points. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.